6D. Human nature. Vocabulary.
1. If the police ask you any questions, be honest and tell them exactly what happened. 2. Justin can be so selfish sometimes. He only thinks about himself. 3. After a stressful day at work, the yoga class helped her feel much more relaxed. 4. Sam is an adventurous person and loves activities like rock climbing, kayaking, and bungee jumping. 5. I was curious about what happened, so I asked her for more information. 6. He is very practical and always finds easy solutions to everyday problems.